Today, you are going to discover the financial secrets that millionaires use to grow their wealth month after month. Strategies that most people ignore and that can completely change your relationship with money. By the end of this video, you will have a clear plan to start building wealth, regardless of your salary. So, if you want to stop just surviving and start thriving, stay with me until the end. Have you ever wondered why some people get rich while others spend their entire lives working without ever escaping financial struggles? What do the wealthy do with their money that most people completely ignore? The answer to these questions can change your financial life forever. If you feel like you're constantly chasing money but never really managing to build wealth, this video will show you exactly what's holding you back and how to change it now. Most people believe that the secret to wealth is earning more money. But if that were true, why do so many high earners remain trapped in the same cycle of bills and debt? The truth is that it doesn't matter how much you earn. What really matters is what you do with your salary. Today, you will discover the financial habits of millionaires that can completely transform your financial reality. So stay with me until the end, because every detail in this video could mean the difference between continuing to struggle to pay bills or starting to build real wealth. The first thing you need to understand is that most people fall into the middle class trap. They work hard, earn a salary, and spend everything on a lifestyle that keeps them stuck in the same place. The most common mistake? Spending before investing. As soon as the money hits their account, the priority is paying bills, buying new things, dining out, or traveling. And then, when they realize the money is gone, they say they can't invest because there's nothing left. The problem isn't a lack of money, but a lack of strategy. Another major mistake of the middle class is relying solely on a paycheck. If you trade time for money and have only one source of income, you are in a fragile position. If something happens to your job or your main source of income, everything could collapse. The wealthy understand that financial security doesn't come from a high salary, but from diversifying income sources. Now, let's dive into the financial mindset of the rich. The biggest difference between the rich and the poor is not just how much they earn, but how they perceive money. To the wealthy, money is not something to be spent immediately. It is an employee that works for them. They see every dollar as an opportunity to generate more money. And this brings us to the first essential pillar of building wealth: paying yourself first. Paying yourself first means that before any expense, you set aside a portion of your money to invest. Most people do the opposite. They pay bills, spend on entertainment, and if anything is left, they think about investing. But the wealthy understand that the order needs to be reversed. If you set aside 20% of your salary as soon as it enters your account and invest that money strategically, over time, it can grow exponentially. Second pillar of millionaires is making money while they sleep. This means investing in assets that generate passive income. Money that keeps coming in even when you're not working. It can be through stock dividends, rental properties, real estate funds, royalties, or digital businesses. The key is to build income streams that do not depend solely on your time and effort. The third pillar is living below your means for a period of time. It sounds simple, but very few people actually do it. Many millionaires choose a simple lifestyle for years to accumulate and multiply their wealth. While the middle class spends everything they earn to maintain a life that appears comfortable, the rich understand that temporarily reducing consumption is a smart path to accelerate financial independence. Now, let's talk about one of the most powerful secrets of millionaires: the 20-year formula. Most people believe that achieving financial freedom requires making a fortune quickly. But in reality, with the right planning, anyone can achieve financial independence in 20 years or less. The math is simple. If you invest a percentage of your salary consistently, reinvest your earnings, and take advantage of compound interest, your wealth will grow exponentially over time. To understand the impact of this, let's take a real example. Imagine you earn $5,000 per month and decide to invest 20% of that amount, or $1,000. If you invest this money in assets that yield an average of 10% per year, in 20 years, you'll have accumulated over $1 million. Now, if you increase this percentage slightly or seek investments with better returns, that amount could be much higher. What separates those who continue to struggle financially from those who achieve financial independence is discipline and consistency. Wealth is not built through luck, but through strategic financial habits that anyone can apply. If you want to break free from the cycle of just working to pay bills and truly build wealth, you need to start taking action now. Many people think that all debt is bad, but the wealthy know there's a difference between good debt and bad debt. Bad debts are those used by liabilities, such as expensive cars or finance vacations. Good debts, on the other hand, are those that finance assets, such as rental properties or profitable businesses. Millionaires don't leave money sitting in their checking accounts. They allocate every dollar strategically. Some go to investments, some to reinvesting in knowledge, and a small percentage to leisure. This method prevents impulsive spending and maximizes wealth growth. The wealthy understand that their social circle directly impacts their finances. Connecting with people who have already achieved success accelerates learning and creates business opportunities. In this chapter, we explore how to build this network of contacts. Millionaires never stop learning. They read books, take courses, and seek mentors. If you want to grow financially, you need to invest in the right knowledge. Here, we show you which books and courses can transform your mindset. The way you view money directly affects your financial results. If you believe that money is hard to earn, you will always struggle. If you see money as a tool for growth, you will start attracting more opportunities. In this chapter, we teach techniques to shift your financial mindset. Now, I challenge you. Choose one of the principles we discussed here and apply it to your life starting today. It could be paying yourself first, creating a passive income stream, or simply reviewing your budget and cutting unnecessary expenses. The most important thing is to take the first step. And if you want to learn more about how to transform your financial life, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Share this video with someone who needs to change their financial mindset, and let's build a future of freedom and prosperity together.